Hi students, I hope you are learning and enjoying HTML with me. Welcome to the module 10 of this course. In this module 10, we will be learning the last two text formatting tags in HTML. Yes, we will be learning about the SUP tag and the SUB tag. Do not get worried if these names sounds bit difficult. We will be going through them in detail, and we will also look at how practically we can use both these tags. So let's get started. The word SUP stands for super here, and the word SUB is the sub. I hope when you're reading a book, or let's say when you are reading a book on the web pages, or you're going through a website, you might come across a text in which a part of text is written super, or let's say on the top of the other text. So let me give you an example. Let's say there is a line which I'm reading on a website, says the surface area of the earth is 510.1 million kilometer square. So when you read this word kilometer square, can you see this particular text? This is not in line with the rest of the text. How can we achieve writing such a text when we are creating web page? The super text does the magic. Similarly, another line or another example that I can give you for the subtext is the chemical formula for water is H2O. So if you look at this particular word H2O, can you see that the H and O are in line, but 2 is bit below the H. So how can we achieve it? The subtext or the subtag basically does the magic. Let's quickly try implementing them on the notepad that I have opened already. So in this notepad++, what we will do is start a paragraph tag and start using these two tags that we have discussed. I'm writing down my first line that we discussed. Million kilometer square. Now, inside this paragraph, the only option I have to write the word to like this, isn't it? I'm going to use the BR tag. The reason is, I'm very sure you can remember what we did. The BR tag will bring the next line on the next after the enter. The second line I'm using is the water is H2O. There is no way on a notepad++ or any editor I can actually shift this particular word on the top. But what we will do is we will now use the SUP and the SUB tag, because we want that this particular text should be aligned on the top of the rest of the tag. We will start the SUP tag here. See the beauty of this editor. When you start writing SUP, it brings up some suggestions. All you can do is just press the enter key or select it from your mouse cursor. I want the SUP tag to end here, so I have closed this tag here. Similarly, because I want this to go a bit low from the rest of the tag, I will use the tag SUB and I will close this tag SUB. Closing the tags, my dear children, is very important. I am emphasizing on this again, and towards the end of this module, I'll show you what can go wrong if you do not close your tags properly. So without further delay, let's quickly refresh this page to see the difference. So can you see what we have done here is we have a SUP tag used in front of the word to, and we are closing it here. So that thing can be seen here. Similarly, for this word to, we use the sub tag, and now we can see that this word to is actually aligned a bit low than the rest of the text that we have written. Now let's say we did a mistake, and the mistake was we forgot to close the SUP tag. Okay, I'm sure you won't make these mistakes, but then let's just to make the understanding very clear. I have deleted the SUP closing tag, and now what I will do is refresh my page to see what has gone wrong. If I refresh this page, can you see this text, students? All of this tag is actually text has gone up. Now to make this more clear, let me just remove the BR tag. Because of the enter, we are not able to make much difference. So let's take this BR tag off and now refresh the page. This will give you a clear understanding of what has gone wrong. Here you go. So can you see that? The entire text after that has gone as a superscript. Did we actually want that to happen? No. So what we'll do is, anytime you want to go back, press the undo button or Control Z on your Notepad++ editor, and that does the magic. So just save this page, refresh this, and I'm sure we will get what we wanted. Here we go. So I hope you enjoyed learning these two fancy tags, the SUP superscript tag and the subscript tags with me. Stay tuned for the next module in which we will continue to learn more tags in HTML. Take care. Goodbye.